Hey everybody, Michael Snyder, California Weather Watch. Today is June 26th, and right now we're looking at the visible satellite imagery as of yesterday. You can see the monsoon moisture that paid California and some of the Southwest here a visit yesterday. We're going to scroll through this here, and I want to show you all the lightning that happened there across the higher terrain. You can really see it fire up there across the Sierra Nevada, portions of Arizona, right near Las Vegas there at the thunderstorm activity, Utah as well. And look at this, hundreds, probably thousands of lightning strikes ongoing there during the day yesterday, and it continued overnight for a lot of portions of Nevada and Arizona as well. And then we scroll out towards this morning, you can see those thunderstorms still continuing across portions of Arizona and Nevada as we go through this morning here also here. It's pretty rare to get some of the thunderstorm activity here across some of this region here. I lived out in Tonopah, Nevada, did work with the National Weather Service for a while there, and it was pretty interesting when you did get precipitation out there. So yeah, kind of interesting watching that coming across the region here. And you can see the marine layer is pushed into the coastal areas here pretty well this morning. Not much sunshine to be had. I guess there is a few areas. Some of the Los Angeles metro is pretty clear right now, but you can kind of see the hit and miss nature of the marine layer up and down the coastline. And if you want to go ahead and click like and subscribe for this channel here, do me a favor and do so. I noticed that about 60% of the people who watch these videos in California are not subscribed. It is free to do so. You can just go down there and click on that. And there's the like button right there. And if you want to join and monetarily support the channel, you would just click here. It looks something similar there on the smartphone. This is the dust devil footage I took a few days ago there across eastern Washington, dust devil capital of the world. And you can see just the size of some of these dust devils. They put a lot of tornadoes that I see sometimes across the Great Plains to shame, actually. So taking a look here at the National Weather Service Las Vegas, you can see that today there is some chance for some precipitation here. You can see Needles at 10% there, and you can see 29 Palms at 10% as well. Colorado City checking in at 30% there. But you can also see these high temperatures here as well. Las Vegas, look at this, 109, 108, 106, and 108. So quite warm out there. But look at Furnace Creek, Death Valley, expecting 120 degrees there today. So nice work here by the National Weather Service Las Vegas. And just a heads up here, you can go to the National Weather Service pages here, and you can see for Los Angeles, and you can see marine weather statements are in effect, air quality alerts, excessive heat warnings here. There's some wind advisories still ongoing out there, some gale watches and gale warnings off the coastline there as well. And this is Phoenix, Arizona, talking about that above normal likely here for monsoon moisture here across some of the southwest that could include some of southeast California at times, but there is that below average signal there across a lot of California. More on that here towards the end of the video. High temperatures today. Check out Palm Springs 112, Thermal 111, Borrego Springs there at 112, Means Lake at 106, Big Bear Lake a nice comfortable 82. But if you want to beat the heat, you guys know where to go and get out towards the coastline. Here's the northern Arizona thunderstorm forecast. And you can see Wednesday, Thursday, and then a little bit more isolated here as we go Friday, Saturday, and then maybe bouncing back here as we go through Sunday. This is for Salt Lake City. They put up these nice flash flood potential ratings there, and you can see, for example, Bryce Canyon National Park today probable and possible again tomorrow here. So go ahead and check out which area you're going to, and make sure to check this if you're out and about across portions of Utah. Out hiking, look at Zion here. You can see possible and then not expected for Thursday. So good information here to be had. Looking at day one thunderstorm outlook, you can see it does include the Sierra Nevada again today. So some of those thunderstorms may kick off again. Includes a lot of Nevada, Utah, and Arizona as well. And day two starting to push off to the east a bit more. This is the excessive rainfall outlook. I just wanted to point this out as well. It does include some portions of Nevada, Utah, Arizona, better chances across New Mexico and eastern Arizona as well. And this is day two, again sliding a bit east. Looking at the 7-day precipitation total, not expecting much across the state of California here, but there could be some across the Sierra Nevada. But we'll continue to watch this more typical monsoon pattern where a lot of this energy and moisture is staying off to the east of the state here for the next 7 days. But we will be breaking that down right here on the California Weather Watch channel and making sure that you are up to date with the latest. Taking a look at the National Blended Models, daily 2-meter max temperature. So we're going to scroll through this. A little bit of a cool down coming tomorrow. You can see just knocking those temperatures down by a few degrees here. Then we bounce back a little bit Friday, Saturday, kind of hold and serve there. 100 degrees for Bakersfield by Sunday. And you can see Death Valley, the desert area is quite warm, and you get some relief if you go to the coastal areas or again across the higher terrain, especially the Sierra Nevada. But look at Tuesday, 106, 105 there, 106 up towards Redding, Red Bluff probably as we go through Tuesday. There's the 3rd of July here. Look at some of these temperatures out there, 107, 108 for Bakersfield. And then we go on in the 4th of July here, and still pretty warm across the region. And watch out for that fire danger if you are out there lighting fireworks. Now, looking at the composite reflectivity for today, this is what the Doppler radar may look like as we go through the day today. We'll scroll through this, and you can see it does bring some of these showers back towards the Sierra Nevada and across central portions of Nevada as well, Arizona, New Mexico, Utah here, thunderstorm potential again today. But much of the state of California is going to be clear of thunderstorms today and tomorrow, most likely. If we take a look at the monsoon moisture that did pay us a visit here, you can kind of see the increase of the precipitable water up across central California, up towards Nevada. But as we scroll through today and on in through tomorrow, you'll notice that drier air working its way in here, and that monsoon moisture kind of staying relegated here to portions of Arizona and New Mexico more. But you can see the drier air arriving, so that's going to cut off our thunderstorm threat, at least for the time being. But we will continue to watch it here as we go on into the next few days. And no tropical cyclone activity expected over the next 48 hours. Nothing has changed there. Here's the 6 to 10 day that was issued yesterday. The above average signal for temperatures here, I should say, below average across the Pacific Northwest. And this is kind of that mixed bag here as we go through the 6 to 10 day, that monsoon moisture signal here and the below average signal here across California and portions of Nevada. 8 to 14 day is something similar, above average, below average here, and then above average across the monsoon region as we go through July 9th. But yeah, pretty interesting day there yesterday. Thousands of lightning strikes coming across the region. It's always fun to watch the GOES 18 satellite imagery. It's such a great piece of technology. You can see individual fires burning out there. And you can actually see there was a thunderstorm that went up across some of the peninsular ranges here, across Baja here. So very interesting stuff. Fun to watch that here coming in. But yeah, we'll continue to break these down day by day. Hope you guys are having a good day. Otherwise, click like and subscribe. We'll do this again tomorrow, and I will talk to you guys then.